I have filmed like nothing today. Like nothing. I need to stop doing that and remember to get my camera out and film. But I don't know, it's just kind of